Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of immunohistochemistry with a focus on the CD35 test. Whether you're a medical professional, a student, or just curious about diagnostic tests, this video will provide you with all the essential information you need. Let's get started. Pre-test information. Before undergoing the CD35 test, there are a few key pieces of information you need to provide. First, ensure you have a copy of the histopathology report. This report contains crucial details about your tissue sample. Next, specify the site of the biopsy. Knowing the exact location helps in accurate diagnosis and analysis. Finally, include your clinical history. This includes any relevant medical conditions, treatments, and symptoms you've experienced. All of this information is vital for an accurate interpretation of the CD35 test results. Specifications of the test. The CD35 test is a specialized immunohistochemistry test. It involves using antibodies to detect the presence of CD35, also known as complement receptor 1, in tissue samples. This test is highly specific and is an essential tool in diagnosing certain conditions. Diseases associated. The CD35 test is particularly useful in the diagnosis of follicular dendritic-cell sarcoma, a rare type of cancer that affects the follicular dendritic cells. Additionally, the pattern of distribution of CD35-positive follicular dendritic cells can help identify various conditions such as reactive follicular hyperplasia, Castleman disease, and follicular lymphoma. Specimen used. For the CD35 test, a tissue specimen obtained from a biopsy is required. The sample is then processed and analyzed in a laboratory setting to detect the presence and distribution of CD35. Components included. The test involves using specific antibodies that bind to CD35 on the cells. These antibodies are then visualized using various staining techniques, allowing pathologists to observe the presence and pattern of CD35 expression under a microscope. Test report time. Once the tissue sample is analyzed, the test report is typically available within 7 days. This report will provide detailed information about the presence and distribution of CD35 in the tissue sample, aiding in the diagnosis and treatment planning. Test information. CD35 is a marker that is incredibly useful for identifying follicular dendritic cells FDCs and granulocytes. Its expression pattern can provide valuable insights into various conditions. For instance, in follicular dendritic cell sarcoma, CD35 helps confirm the diagnosis. Additionally, the distribution pattern of FDCs identified by CD35 can help diagnose reactive follicular hyperplasia, Castleman disease, and follicular lymphoma. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the CD35 test in immunohistochemistry. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.